lab.research.google.com, connect, and I will have to install this package pip install python pptx. If you are using this way to create presentation, no need to work on alt F11, no need to create VBA code. In single click or in few commands you will be able to create. So now I am installing this package. In first cell you have to write. So participants who are from IT domain, from CSC, they are knowing better that how to work on Colab notebooks. Okay, pip install python bptx. Now on which topic I want to create a presentation, for example, so this is the code, this is the code. Okay, or if I want to create this particular code from chat gpt, that can also be done. For example, this is chat gpt. Now see this, what I am doing here, ppt. So I am writing here python pptx code for 5 slides presentation on machine learning. Now I am not asking it to generate VBA code. I am asking it to generate Python PPTX code. Enter. So it will generate Python code. Directly I will copy and paste, and in single click my PPT will be downloaded. Editable mode. So copy. Now I will paste here. Now it is pasted. Now I will run. Presentation created successfully. Now copy this name, this is my presentation, download. Now you can see that it will be downloaded. File dot download from google.colab, import files. Now in my system, so you can see that I am not doing any F11, I am not doing anything else. I am simply creating this one. So you can see second, third, fourth, fifth, 5 slide presentation is ready without doing anything in PowerPoint. Only design I will change.